Hi, Charlie Kuhn here, Senior Specialist at Worldwide Auctioneers, and I'm standing next to a 1966 Austin Princess Landaulet Limousine. This car was originally ordered by the Crown Agents, that's the Royal Crown of England, in preparation for the Queen's visit to Jamaica in 1966. So in 1966, on her official visit to Jamaica, Queen Elizabeth and Prince Philip rode in this car. You'll notice on the roof there are two little buttons here, and there are two more buttons on the other side. That's originally where the grab rail went when the Queen and the Prince stood in the back of this landaulet. Now, a landaulet, of course, this portion of the roof folds flat, so it's convertible-like. But anyway, this is where they stood, held onto the grab rail. It is magnificent in restoration quality, the fit, the finish, the chrome, the upholstery, the paint, everything about this car is just magnificent. This beautiful car will sell at no reserve Labor Day weekend here in Auburn, Indiana, so get set up for bidder registration, make your hotel reservations, your restaurant reservations, bring the family, it'll be a lot of fun. There'll be food trucks and car corral and swap meet, and we look forward to seeing you here in Auburn, Indiana.